LayerZero, the Omnichain protocol that's raised over $120 million and is valued at over $3 billion. But is it really a solid investment opportunity? Well, today you will learn everything you need to know about LayerZero and hang tight until the end to know if it's a good project or not. So in this video, I will go over what is LayerZero, how it works, should you invest in this project? AV here talking about the rise of crypto, and today looking at LayerZero. In the ever-growing world of blockchain, we're constantly facing issues with interoperability between different chains. This limits the potential of these networks and creates barriers for users and developers. LayerZero aims to solve this issue. Is it worth your investment? The core concept of LayerZero. LayerZero is a user application configurable on-chain endpoint that runs a ULN. LayerZero relies on two parties to transfer messages between on-chain endpoints, the oracle and the relayer. When a UA sends a message from chain A to chain B, the message is routed through the endpoint on chain A. The endpoint then notifies the UA-specified oracle and relayer of the message and its destination chain. The oracle forwards the block header to the endpoint on chain B, and the relayer then submits the transaction proof. The proof is validated on the destination chain, and the message is forwarded to the destination address. The investors behind are Tier 1, the best of the best, and there are a lot. We're talking about Sequoia Capital, PayPal Ventures, Andreessen Horowitz, and many more, raising over $120 million. Now you might see the massive funding and valuation and think, this must be a sure bet, but as we know, that's a common mistake. Just because a project has big numbers behind it doesn't guarantee its success. We need to dive deeper to understand its true potential. How do they make money? LayerZero Labs takes a fee for every piece of data sent through its messaging protocol. Its significant stash of funding allows the company to look beyond pure profit margin. What makes LayerZero strong is the community behind and all the investors. They have over 290,000 followers on Twitter and still gaining over 1,000 followers per day. Over 149,000 members on Discord. This is really impressive and makes the project even more trustworthy. To help you make an informed decision, we use our AI to analyze LayerZero's value, its tech, and its potential impact on the blockchain ecosystem. By comparing it to similar projects and examining its unique approach, we can determine if it's a good buy or not. LayerZero sets itself apart from other interoperability solutions by offering an omni-chain protocol, meaning it's designed to work with any blockchain. This level of versatility could be a game changer for the industry, but it also faces competition from established projects like Cosmos and Polkadot. So what's in it for you? If LayerZero delivers on its promise, it could not only revolutionize the blockchain space, but also provide massive returns for early investors. This makes it an intriguing option for anyone looking to diversify their crypto portfolio. My advice? Keep a close eye on LayerZero's development and any upcoming announcements regarding their coin launch. Timing is key, and being prepared will give you the edge you need to make a strategic investment. But wait, there's more. If you want to get a major edge in the market, make sure you follow us on Twitter at PreYourEye. We use our cutting-edge eye to post price predictions for major stocks and cryptocurrencies 24 hours early, giving you a serious advantage in your investment game. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Twitter, hit that follow button, and stay ahead of the curve with PreYourEye. Subscribe, like this video for more in-depth review of crypto project. And if you've done that, then see you in the next one.